Have you ever tried to find a specific chair in Coohom, but no matter what you search, it just doesn't appear? You scroll, change keywords, try different categories, still nothing. And when a client sends you a specific brand design, that's where things get frustrating. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful tool inside Coohom that most people don't even know exists. And this tool can literally find the exact or similar model just from an image. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to solve one of the biggest problems in Coohom, finding a specific model when it's not easily found in the public library. Yes, Coohom has thousands of models, but sometimes you need a specific brand chair or a client-given reference image, and you just can't find it. So let me show you the hidden solution, the camera tool.